Okay, so let's talk about nutrients and supplements. There's a difference between what is called essential nutrients and accessory nutrients. I like to focus on our essential nutrients. Essential nutrients are the ones that your body requires that you cannot make. These are the things that you absolutely have. The good news is there's only 45 things that you actually have to have. Your body will make the rest. So that's gonna be, you got water, you got oxygen, and you got some form of energy. The rest are about 13 vitamins, about 16 minerals, 2 fatty acids, and some amino acids. This is why we focus on just those. These are the essential. All the essential nutrients you need are here. You don't need every supplement under the sun. You just need the essential ones and your body will do the rest. That is why we focus on the ones we have, because we can feed your body right and keep you healthy.